Hello, my name is Teddy Gonzalez, and welcome to my presentation about my internship at the Global Locust Initiative. First, let's explore what the Global Locust Initiative, or GLI, is. The GLI collaborates across borders to manage pests and improve human livelihoods. ASU's Global Locust Initiative engages key actors in locust research and management to develop research, partnerships, and solutions for transboundary pest management in agroecosystems around the world. The Global Locust Initiative's mission statement is: we promote interdisciplinary locust research and management to improve the well-being of farming communities and global food system sustainability. But you may be wondering, why locusts? Well, locusts are among the most economically significant crop pests on many continents. For instance, they cost $450 million in order to stop the 2003-2005 desert plague locust in Africa, which also caused $2.5 billion in crop damage. 1 in 10 people are impacted by locusts during plague years, and 20% of Earth's land surfaces are covered by locusts during plague years. Further, the Global Locust Initiative has 3 main pillars: 1, facilitating fundamental and applied research; 2, creating and maintaining a global network; and 3, developing local solutions to the global challenge of locust plagues. Facilitating fundamental and applied research includes supporting the development of collaborative teams, linking researchers with relevant collaborators, and advancing the current GLI projects in the United States, Senegal, China, Australia, Argentina, and Bolivia. Creating and maintaining a global network hinges on the removal of barriers to working in the locust sphere through increasing connectivity and information availability. The third pillar, developing local solutions to the global challenge of locust plagues, aims to ensure a stakeholder-based approach where there is on-the-ground involvement with farmers in GLI projects and activities. Now let's move on to the projects that I am currently working on. I'm working on several projects which can be broken down into 4 separate sections. These 4 projects include creating a locust identification booklet for Senegalese locusts, developing the first GLI bulletin, posting fortnightly news updates to the GLI website, and actively working on GLI social media outreach. For the ID booklet, I have also been responsible for reaching out to various GLI collaborators and choosing the Senegalese locust species to include in the ID booklet. The bulletin I am working on will be the first of its kind for GLI. As a result, I am responsible for developing an outline based off of other research initiatives and their bulletins. I have also researched some of the GLI partner bulletins, including the APLC and the FAO. Here's a screenshot from the GLI Twitter page that I have been currently running along with one of my colleagues to promote collaboration and more social media presence for the GLI. As mentioned, one of my 4 projects has included posting fortnightly news updates, so here's an example of the 2 news updates that I have posted. Since I volunteered in the CEAS lab during summer of 2018, I was able to have a glimpse into a little bit of what the GLI is. I enjoyed my hands-on experience in the lab and working directly with the locusts. This experience led me to work with the GLI this semester as an intern. As a JD candidate for 2022, I find this internship to be helpful in exploring the intersections between sustainability and the law, particularly in the realm of social equity and justice. What I love about my internship is the ability to network with collaborators and meet new people from around the world. It is inspiring to work closely with my supervisor, and the GLI cultivates an environment that promotes connectedness and fosters relationships, which is one of my favorite parts of working with GLI. The projects have been running smoothly so far, however, I have encountered a few challenges. With collaboration comes some challenge, as it is difficult to meet deadlines without consistent communication and responses from various entities. For example, while working on the ID booklet, one of the goals on the timeline was delayed due to the lack of response from a particular collaborator. Further, due to the GLI's global network, it is imperative for me to always remain cognizant of the cultural and social norms of the collaborators that I am contacting. This also presents a challenge when communicating due to language barriers, which was something I encountered when deciding on a species to include in the ID booklet, as someone provided information, but it was in French. Lastly, since this has been the first bulletin for the GLI, it has been a bit difficult to pick out what information to include or to not include in the first bulletin. However, my supervisor has been extremely helpful in providing me feedback and insight into what she is looking for. For the second half of the semester, I will be continuing work on the 4 aforementioned projects. My future focuses will include posting the first bulletin, and our goal is to have it done by March, creating and finalizing the ID booklet, continuing to run Twitter, and continuing to post news updates. While the GLI has not affected my thoughts or feelings about sustainability in a different way, it has certainly reinforced my interest in exploring the intersections between the legal field and sustainability. Interning at the GLI has enabled me to analyze sustainability challenges in a different way and allowed me to further develop my research skills. Thank you.